Hey, I'm Jordan at Beaverton Motorcycles, going over a couple different motorcycles that we have in today, focusing on KTM. Right now we're looking at the Duke 890 GP, as well as the 890 Adventure, as well as the 1290 Adventure. So the GP is going to be your factory edition with the race decals, as well as you're going to have the race cowl, as well as now you have the GP cowl that the Duke 890R comes with. It's still going to be your standard Duke 890 without the additional bells and whistles. You're still going to have track ready suspension. Over here, we're going to have the Adventure 890. It's going to be the same engine as in the 890 Duke. The only difference is you're going to be able to take this thing off-roading. It's very capable of doing on-road and off-road. It's probably the most revolutionized when it comes to the mid-size engine, as well as being the size that it is. Here we have the top of the line Super Adventure 1290. You got the upgraded suspension, preload adjustment, as well as upgraded mirrors, crash bar, Denali fog lights, your Garmin display, as well as your normal screen display. My name is Jordan. Come by and check out the KTM.